Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about Useradd command in Linux. Without wasting any time, let's start the topic. The primary tool to add users to Linux system is Useradd command. This command provides an easy way to create a new user. The Useradd command uses a combination of system default values and command line parameters to define user account. To see the system defaults value, I can see in the file /etc/default/useradd. Let's check. I am using my favorite Vim editor /etc defaults user. I can see the file values by using useradd command also. Let's check this. Useradd -capital D. I will go now. I will go through this description. Group equal to 100 means when we add new user, then it is added to a common group with the group ID 100. Home equal to /home means the new user has a home account created in the directory /home/login name. If I create a user called jadhu, then the home directory will be /home/jadhu. Inactive equal to -1 means the account can't be disabled when password expires. Expire equal to nothing means the new account can't be set to expire at a set date. Shell equal to /bin/bash means the new account uses the bash shell as the default shell. Scale equal to /etc/scale means the system copies the content of the /etc/scale directory to the user's home directory. Last one, create _mail_spool equal to s means the system creates a file in the mail directory for the user account to receive mail. Let's check the /etc/scale file. Okay, I'm checking by ls command. ls-al means a means we will see the hidden file also. L means long listing. Then the scale file scale means when I create one new user, the content of /etc/scale will automatically copy it to the user's home directory. As for example, I want to add jadhu user to the system. I use user add jadhu. Jadhu is already available. Now let's check the jadhu /in home folder. Jadhu is exist means jadhu is exist. Now I will try the new user called Madhu. Jadhu already exists. I will show you it later. User add Madhu. Okay, it's already created. Let's see the slash modu folder. It's already created, and the scale slash etc slash scale content are copied to this folder. Now when we create one user, at the time the user is automatically added to slash etc passwd file. I can see it by cat command. Cat command is to read the file. I will use pipe symbol to grab the modu user only. So modu user is already created, and you can see the first one is username, second colon is the encrypted password, this 1006 is user ID, 1006 is the group ID, then description is blank, slash home slash modu is the home directory, and slash bin slash bash is the default shell. We can sense the default shell to another shell. Let's see the shell available in my system by seeing slash etc slash shells file. Here slash bin slash sh slash bin slash bash slash sbin slash login slash usr slash bin slash sh slash usr slash bin slash bash slash usr slash sbin slash no login shells are available. If I want to change the default shell to slash usr slash bin slash sh, then I need to run useradd capital D s slash usr slash bin sh. Means I will change the default shell to slash usr slash bin slash sh. Now let's check whether the default shell is changed or not. Let's see here, shell equal to slash usr slash bin slash sh. Okay, in this way we can sense the default value of shell or slash home, etc. Let's see the user command line parameters. We can see user line command parameters by useradd command, then give space, then dash dash help. Here we can see many parameters available. Slash b base directory, we can sense base directory. Slash c we can add comment also. Slash d means we can sense home directory also. Slash d means the default value, we can see the default values. Slash g means we can sense primary name or id of the primary group. Capital G means list of supplementary group. Small k means we can sense use this alternative skeleton directory override. Capital K means override slash etc slash login dot defs defaults, etc. Here dash m is available, create home directory. means if I want to create home directory when we are creating user at the same time, then we can use -m parameter. Capital M means no, means opposite one of small m is capital M. Okay. R means system, create a system account. Shell means login shell of the new account. U means UID. Say I want to add user with shell bin sh ram. Ram is already available. I will create Rahim. The shell will be /bin/sh. The default I have override the default shell by using -s parameter. I can also add comment here also. C means comment. This is my home. Say I want to add Jiten user, and the shell will be /bin/sh. Okay, let's check by cat command /etc rwd grep Jiten. See, I have added this is my home by using -c parameter, and I have changed the default shell by using -s parameter. Here you can see this is in this way we can sense we can use Useradd command. Let's see how to remove a user. If you want to remove a user from the system, use Userdel command. By default, the Userdel command remove only the user information from the /etc/passwd file. It doesn't remove any files the account owns the system. Say if I want to remove jadhu, then it will show error. Jadhu does not exist, but if I use -r option, then jadhu does not exist, means jadhu user is not exist. If I want to remove Rahim, then it will remove, but the home directory is available. Let's see. Okay, still the home directory is available. If I want to remove it, then I need to use -r parameter to remove the user account. Say If you use dash r parameter, then useradd command removes the user's home directory along with the user's mail directory. However, the files owned by the deleted user account may still be on the system. This can be a problem in some environment. That's all about my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.